My dear traders, hello and very welcome to Uttam's Trading Academy. So guys, do you want to make profits every day in trading? So let me teach you how to make profits every day, guys. So let's go for our today day trade. Alright, my dear traders, today also as usually I have in my live account $2,000, and guys, the first investment is going to be $500, and I choose the currency pair for today first day trade, USD Let's push down and let me explain what's going on with the market, guys. So according to the market, it went up and it's climbing down, and guys, pay attention on the RSI indicator. According to the RSI indicator below, it has been reached into the several times into the overbought zone, and it's little bit climbing down, going down. Oh shit, guys, I did a mistake like a stake. I put my money in a stake, guys. I did it wrong. It was a wrong decision, guys. I'm gonna lose this $500 first investment. Fuck. Okay, no problem, don't get panicked, don't get nervous. So let's go with $1,000 second investment, and let's I think let's change the investment $1,000 and let's push down, guys. So it's like it's no kind of fake candle appeared, and that's why I lost my $500, guys. You need to be careful with fake candles, guys. Sometimes it's appearing fake candles, and we are getting wrong directions, and then we are losing our money. So that's why we need clear and clean analysis and tactics about the market, and real-time analysis about the market. So far so good. I think we can make it, guys. So let's wait, be patient, guys. And guys, don't forget to follow my VIP Telegram channel. Be a community member of my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in the description. You can find it easily. And guys, oh shit, I didn't make and I didn't lose $1,000. So let's change the market, guys. I don't like this market. So by the way, it's a good one, and let's push up, guys. And let me explain you what's going on with it. Went up and it's climbing down right now, and according to the RSI indicator below, look at this, guys. It has been reached into the oversell zone, and it's time to climb up, guys. Growing up with the green candle. So far so good. That's why I decided to put my $1,000 third investment for today, guys. When it hit the bottom of the when it reached into the oversell zone, and when it hit the bottom, so market should be changed, and supporting with the green candle, it should be growing up. Oh shit, what's going on? Let me see and let me analyze, guys. What's going on today, guys? I made it, guys. I made it. $1,800 and $800 my clean profit, guys. So far so good. So let's push down with $500 because, and let me explain what's going on. So it's still and here on the top of this red candle, I can't see any shadow. It means, guys, it has a really strong opportunity with selling opportunity, and it's pushing down, guys. So that's why I decided to put my $500 investment, and fuck, again guys, I'm not gonna make this $500. So today the second $500 I'm going to lose, guys, because as I told you, when it hit the bottom, guys, the oversell zone, guys, market is changing. Now it's happening, guys. So I put my money in danger. It doesn't matter. Let's go with $1,000 investment for second one, guys. And doesn't matter. Okay, let's push up. As I told you, I didn't make so far so bad. By the way, I put my $1,000, another one, another investment, and I pushed up. So let's wait and see, guys. And guys, I need to remind you that something important, guys. The most important thing of our life, guys, in day trading life, guys, make profits every day, guys. At the end of the day, making profit. If you are losing money, if you are making profit, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you need to make profit, guys. So that's the theory. That's our vision, guys. So that's why I'm highly recommending you to follow my VIP Telegram channel and improve your tactical knowledge about day trading. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more additional educational videos like this. Look at this, guys, another $1,800 profit, guys. As I told you, guys, so far so good. Let's go with $500. And guys, let's change the currency pair. Yeah, I think let's change the currency pair. Let's choose a good one, really good trend, guys. Here it's a very strange range zone. It's a really strange one. Here also strange range zone. So let's go with this one. Yeah, let's push up, follow the trend. It's like, guys, I followed the trend, but I'm not sure. Gonna make it. I'm gonna make it, guys. Pretty sure I'm gonna make it, guys. So guys, about my VIP Telegram channel, why don't you follow my VIP Telegram channel, guys? All the links below in the description. And guys, join with my VIP Telegram channel community. There I'm sharing all of my day trading knowledge, guys. You can become a very professional and profitable day trader, guys. And guys, don't forget to hit the like button for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget about it, guys. So I'm sharing my knowledge every day, guys, with you. Look at my another profit, $890, guys. So far so good. I'm making profits. Yeah, let's go with $1,000. I need to change it. Yeah, let's push down. Just follow the trend. Look at this, guys. Let me explain. It went up, went down. It was in the range zone. It went up. Time to push down, guys. So far so good, guys. I think this is my last trade for today, guys. So I think it's enough for me for today, guys. And let's make this profit. Definitely I need to make this profit. If I'm not making this profit, I'm going for another one, guys. So so far so good. Yeah. Okay, gonna make it. Okay, candle, where the hell are you going? Yeah. Okay, so far so good. Let it go and let him make my profit really well. Okay, all right, guys. All right, last one, last trade, last profit, $1,800, guys. And at the end of the day, guys, in my live account I have $3,790 and my clean profit is $1,790 profit, guys. So it's a really good one. My dear traders, do you want to become a professional and profitable day trader like me? All you have to do a really simple thing. Follow my instructions and stay with my channel. Let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Utum's Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.